Like it hits the spot. I can judge the Chinese that Saif Ali Khan likes. Chutney is so spicy.
crab है, pomfret है.
I can't believe it. Hands down, दिमाग खराब हो गया मेरा. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video we are only eating at celeb favorite food spots in Mumbai for 24 hours. So if you're a fan of Vicky Kaushal, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan or any of these celebrities and you want to know where do they actually chill at or maybe have their meals at or go out to dine, this is the video. Watch it till the end. We are going to be reviewing all of it. We'll do like a taste test. It's going to be fun. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm super active there. And without further ado, let's just get started. The first stop is breakfast and उसके लिए हम आए हैं all the way 1 घंटे का रास्ता तय करके हमने लिटरली ट्रेन ली है क्योंकि ये लोकेशन इतनी दूर है and I'm so excited. मैं नहीं बताऊंगी आपको बताएंगे खुद आदित्य रॉय कपूर. So let's see where we are going.
Olympia in Colaba for the keema pao for breakfast. Yes.
This is basically a 106-year-old cafe. It's mind-boggling. And personally मैं ना बहुत सारी रानी कैफेज में गई हूँ पहले. कैनिन, कोक, कूलर, सोडा बॉटल ओपनर वाला, याजदानी and so much more. But this never. ये literally आपके कोलाबा में ही है. Right opposite Leopold Cafe. And the location is like the prime and stuff. So यहाँ पे obviously we've come to have the keema pao like Aditya Roy Kapoor mentioned. And उसके साथ हमने मंगाया है omelette and also some bun maska chai. So let's quickly dive in. Really good, but I feel like I've had something like this before. It's not like I'm having it for the first time. With the egg, the combination is too good. The Irani cafe ki chai is always like it hits the spot. It's so good and not too many people can do chais like they do. And to be honest, this one's literally one of them. Breakfast was wholesome. I feel because I've had similar keema before, I was not shocked, but I was not disappointed as well. It was super yum and I feel price point bhi itna sasta nahi tha. I was expecting it to be maybe like more inexpensive, but overall I would give it like a solid 8 on 10. If and whether I would come back, I think yes and maybe also no. I feel like I would prefer a place which has maybe like a better ambience. Like I've been to Irani cafes that have better ambience to be honest, but I don't have a problem coming back again either. So yeah, now we are here in Bandra. कोलाबा से सीधा यहाँ पे आ गए हम लोग because lunch करना है और lunch recommend किया है हमको the Patodi Saif Ali Khan ने. So let's see what he has to say.
There's a lovely restaurant. I want to endorse it. There's the Royal China Chef. I'm going to call my wife. What's the name of that Chinese restaurant that we get food from? Kuai. Kwai Kitchen.
लंच के लिए हमने बुलाया है हमारे स्पेशल फूड क्रिटिक को. प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर महविश खान. इसने ब्रेकफास्ट तो नहीं किया था मेरे साथ, तो मैंने उसको बोला एटलीस्ट लंच में मेरी हेल्प कर. इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर एक से भले दो.
या 100%. एंड मैं चाइनीज इज माई फोर्टे, सो आई कैन जज द चाइनीज दैट सैफ अली खान लाइक्स. सब मुझे देखना है कि वो एक्चुअली इतना अच्छा है या they've just been liking mediocre food.
Yeah, so basically the Kapoors like Chinese, like Saif mentioned, and this is the place. This is the place where they order food from, and I've never been here to be honest. I love Asian food, and मैंने इसके बारे में सुना भी नहीं था. So I'm so excited to try this out. Let's see what they have in store. Okay, so we are inside Kwai Kitchen. What do you feel about the vibes?
Vibe is cozy,
Yeah.
small, wholesome, very wholesome. It's like a proper Chinese joint, but aesthetic and rich.
Yeah, and the best part, to be honest, is this. Can you show it to them?
Yeah.
This chopstick holder is so cute.
It's like
Panda. And ये जो धुआं आप लोग को दिख रहा है, ये हमारे खाने का है by the way, जो हम आपको बताएंगे in a bit. But yeah, the ambience is really nice and cozy, and the stuff is also very sweet. So we're really liking it so far. Let's see what we've ordered. We've called for classic spicy egg fried rice.
And it smells so good. I'm so excited.
And उसके साथ we've called for a gravy. I think this is chili oil, quite
And
special
spring
chili
onion.
oil, spring onion chicken something. And also they've given some separate gravy on the side. I need to show you this. We literally were so excited for this particular order. So this is basically a dessert and it's panda bao. Look at it.
It's so cute.
I can't believe. Oh my god, it's so cute. And हमने कभी भी ऐसा कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया है. क्या सही लग रहा है यार.
It looks very cute. खाने का मन नहीं करेगा. But हम तो खाएंगे.
हम खाएंगे, of course.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
उसके लिए आए हम. And we've also called for lobster roll, the Kwai special lobster roll. Looks really nice and टूट पड़ते हैं अब. Taste test. Cheers. Have you got a little bit of fish? No, it's actually the lobster, but it's the smell. It has light lobster smell.
It has a seafoody aroma.
Yeah. Which she is a little bit icky
Which is a
about,
no-no
but
for me.
I don't mind. So it's crispy and it's nice.
It's
I like it.
prawn tempura but with lobster. I'm excited for the rice though.
I do like it, but yeah, there is a little bit of seafood smell, which I don't think I've experienced with other sushis in the past.
Maybe अपन ने lobster पहली बार try किया, so maybe it's because of that though. But yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the main course. Actually, I'm excited to eat the dessert first.
It's going to be modak, bro. It's going to be chocolate
Chocolate
modak.
modak. Stop. It's not modak. It's a bao with chocolate. It tastes like lava cake. बन जाओ food blogger. Nice, I like it. Eating my most favorite thing in the world. Fried rice with any sort of gravy. It's nice.
Simply, the fried rice is so yum.
Is it? Let me have just
It's
the fried
very
rice.
tasteful. I don't think you need like a gravy on the side. तुम सिर्फ starters के साथ ये fried rice खा सकते हो. And
Actually, the fried rice is really good. And with the gravy, it's
And
so
the gravy is so
wholesome.
good.
Oh my god, my man is throat. You've never had a chili oil based gravy before, so this is the first.
just सिर्फ fried rice अच्छा लगे.
So I think the best part about every Chinese restaurant is the Szechuan chutney.
Indo-Chinese.
Indo-Chinese restaurant is the Szechuan chutney with
Fried noodles. Time
जिसको
pass.
time pass बोलते हैं in layman's language, and this combination, this Szechuan chutney is also really good. मन करे पैक करके घर ले जाओ चटनी.
क्या बोला तूने?
मम्मी इसको देखेंगे, चखेंगे, ऐसे बना देंगे.
Same बना देंगे. कल के कल.
Chutney plays a really huge role in like food.
The food blogger in her is speaking. I think we'll finish this and then we'll talk.
Yeah. So lunch at celeb favorite spot Kwai was a hit. इतना अच्छा खाना खाया कि अब बस नींद आ रही है. And how much would you rate it?
I think I'll give it a solid 10 on 10.
Hey, wow, man!
Are you serious?
Yeah, for the rice that I had, sushi को तो मैं include करूँगी नहीं, but for the rice and the gravy, it was something else. या तो हमें भूख लगी थी तो actually बहुत अच्छी थी. I think वो काफ़ी अच्छी थी. It was very flavorful. मैंने ऐसा इतना flavorful fried rice नहीं खाया, which is like simple egg fried rice. That too, that flavorful. So I think I'm going to come back, bro.
For me, I think I would give it like a 9 on 10. I did really like it, and overall, even I would come back. I'm actually gonna get my friends too. The bao is definitely calling me back soon again.
Yeah, and the rice for me. So I think it's a...
Yeah, it was a hit. शाम हो गई है. It is time to grab some snack, and so many celebrities actually have recommended spots in and around Bandra, and this particular one is actually like a street food recommendation, and I'm so happy about it. It is a sandwich spot recommended by Vikrant. So let's first see what he has to say.
मैंने जय सैंडविच का लुत्फ
जय
उठाया
सैंडविच का
है। मैंने जय सैंडविच का बहुत लुत्फ उठाया है, और वो इतना बड़ा हो गया वो कि वो उसने बहुत बड़ी दुकान ही खोली पीछे जाके।
हाँ।
पहले तो बाकड़ा था उसका।
Chutney is so spicy. It's simple and it's really good. It's actually one of the best toast sandwiches that I've had. Okay, so the sandwich was really yum. It hit the spot. It was just perfect, and I would give it like a solid 9.5 on 10. And I think we barely spent any money there, and we weren't that hungry. So that's literally it that we had. I'm genuinely looking forward to get my friends there. I'm sure they'll like it too. So it gets a hit as well. It's time for the last meal, and we've saved the best for the last, to be honest. This is such a popular celebrity favorite spot. Oh my god, from Vicky Kaushal, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, even Kajol, they keep raving about Ghazali, which is basically like a seafood place. So if you're into like bombil fry and crab and stuff, this is the spot. Let's see what the celebrities have to say first.
Ghazali in Parla East.
Ghazali
I love Ghazali in Parla East and और कौन सा
क्या है गो टू ऑर्डर वहाँ पर? मैं सुरमई फ्राई जाते बोल ही देता हूँ.
बोम्बिल फ्राई.
बोम्बिल फ्राई.
Minus बोम्बिल फ्राई.
I love Ghazali.
अरे गजाली तो बे है.
I thought it would be best to actually have my mom and dad with me for this because they love seafood and they would be the best critique. तो चलो उनको मिलते हैं. हेलो.
हेलो.
तो आप पहले यहाँ पे आए हुए हो कि आपका फर्स्ट टाइम है? बिकॉज ये बहुत पुराना और फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है वैसे तो.
हम लोग यहाँ फर्स्ट टाइम आए.
मेरा भी फर्स्ट टाइम है.
सुने हो इसके बारे में पहले?
नहीं, अल्फिया से ही सुना है.
Okay, so technically सबका फर्स्ट टाइम है. Excited. Let's see what the Khans and the Bollywood really loves about this place.
अभी आपका टुडे का स्पेशलिटीज क्या है?
प्रॉन्स है, पॉम्फ्रेट है, लॉबस्टर्स है, क्रैब्स है.
अच्छा.
एकदम फ्रेश है. क्रैब है, पॉम्फ्रेट है, ये लॉबस्टर्स है, टाइगर प्रॉन्स है, पॉम्फ्रेट है.
इसको फ्राई आप लोग खोल के कर दो क्या?
ओपन
क्रिस्पी
फ्राई.
नाइस.
गजाली का
हाँ हमने भी
गजाली का बोम्बिल सुना है. बोम्बिल के लिए आई हूँ मैं.
इसकी चटनी भी बहुत टेम्पटिंग, बहुत अच्छी है.
चटनी में बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. Wow, it has no smell of fish by the way. No smell.
आपको क्या लगता है महेश लंचोम की गजाली? आपको क्या लगता है महेश लंचोम की गजाली?
गजाली बेस्ट.
तुझे क्या लगता है?
I'll decide later. This chutney that you get with the bombil is something else altogether. Oh my god, I've never had something like this before and it's so good. How's the combination? Neer dosa with prawns.
Mind blowing.
Our pro chef will tell us. Trying neer dosa with the lobster for the first time in my life. मैंने सिर्फ neer dosa with chicken खाया है. ऐसे नहीं पता था ये
रेड चिल्ली सॉस.
green chili.
ग्रीन चिल्ली सॉस.
Oh my god. Wow. This restaurant has shocked and surprised me in so many positive ways. I can't believe it. Hands down the best. दिमाग खराब हो गया मेरा, इतना अच्छा है. Okay, so dinner is done. How much would you rate it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Okay, mom?
10 of 10 plus star.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
Oh my god, and for me it was a solid 10 on 10 for sure. It was just out of my mind. The food was so good. आप लोग यहाँ पे वापस आओगे या नहीं?
जरूर इंशाल्लाह.
पक्का.
The prawn was really good.
नहीं, सब चीज़.
Actually सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. There was no smell in the fish. The staff was so humble and kind. मतलब वो इतना प्यार से हमको खिला रहे थे कि हमको इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. Overall the vibe is also very wholesome and genuinely this was my most favorite meal and I think this tops my list for sure. And that is it for this video, you guys. It was such a long but a wholesome day filled with such great meals, but I think for me the winner has to be Ghazali. The food, oh my god, still thinking about it. And if you happen to be in Mumbai and you want to have amazing seafood, you have to go there. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Share it across with your friends. Share it across with people who want like food recommendations in Mumbai. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.